What's up YouTube? So I'm just going to show you a very quick pro tip for very quickly, easily and efficiently forming external corners when you're not able to fit a bead. Now if you have a look at the bottom of this wall here, you can see that the bead has been stopped short, and basically the reason being is that the bottom of the wall is kicking out, so it was splaying the bead quite far out, a lot further than I wanted to be able to repair using multi-finish. So as you can see, the edge of it looks really rough. So what we're going to do is we're going to use two of these plastic filling knives. I did a video on these recently as to why these are so incredible. I'm going to show you how just two of these can repair that corner so it looks exactly the same as the corner bead with no effort whatsoever. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to just use a bit of fat that's on the edge of the bucket like so. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to smush some fat on the edge like so. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put one of the spatulas flat against the wall here, and then the other one flat against the wall here, pushed up against the other spatula. And then we're just going to slide the spatula up and down. We're going to do the same again, so probably not so clear on the video, but basically what we're doing is that. So pushing one spatula against the other, like so. It's actually surprisingly difficult using doing this when the camera's right in the way. So just reload the corner again. And then just giving that a little tickle with the brush. And that is now nicely straight. So it's just a little pro tip just to help form those external corners for whatever reason. If you can't run that bead, if you happen to use something, even a trowel, or if you've got one of those plastic spatulas or scrapers that we recommended, if you just push the two together with a little bit of fat in it and run it up the corner, it fills it out really nicely. And then just give it a light brush with a little bit of water just to soften the curve a little bit, and it will blend really nicely into that bead. So pro tip, use those spatulas to form those external corners. Hope this has been helpful. Consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks again.